Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to find an install game called Baba Is You. So first thing first, open App Store, click on the blue icon right here on your home screen. Then make sure that you log in your Apple ID account. And click on the search button right here. And in the search bar, typing Baba Is You and go search. Then scroll down a little bit until you find the game. So click on that. Now it costs $6.99. Just click on the blue button. Then to confirm purchase and installation, use Face ID or Touch ID or password from your Apple ID account. Now it's all done. The game is 155.3 megabytes. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.